Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the default font in Google Sheets for 2025. If you've ever wanted to give your spreadsheets a fresh look, make your data easier to read, or simply put your own personal stamp on your docs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly update your default font, making every new sheet reflect your style automatically. Alright, let's get started by opening up the Google Sheets document you want to work on. Once you've got your sheet open, the first thing you need to do is head up to the Format tab in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Think of this tab as your gateway to all kinds of styling options, fonts, colors, and even themes. All the things that can make your spreadsheet look less like a jumble of numbers and more like a professional report or a personalized project. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to click on Theme. This opens up the Themes sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. Themes are like preset style packages for your entire sheet, letting you quickly switch up the look and feel with just a few clicks. But today we're customizing things ourselves. In that Themes sidebar, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry if it takes a moment for things to update. Sometimes it needs a second to pull up all the customization tools. Now, within Customize, you'll see the option to adjust different aspects of your sheet's appearance, including the font. Find the dropdown labeled Font here. When you click this font dropdown, you'll notice something. Google Sheets gives you a selection of fonts, but it's a pretty limited list. Unfortunately, as of 2025, you can't use every font under the sun, only the ones Google includes by default. But don't let that hold you back. There are still some solid choices here, so pick the one that speaks to you. For example, if you want your sheet to have a clean and modern vibe, you might go for Arial. Want something classic? Try Times New Roman. Looking for a little personality? Maybe go with Comic Sans or one of the other quirky options. The point is, these fonts will apply across your whole sheet, making every cell you type and fit your preferred style without having to change the font manually each time. Once you've chosen your font, hit the Done button at the bottom of the sidebar. It's as simple as that. A quick pro tip: sometimes, especially if you're working with a large sheet or a slower connection, it can take a second for your font change to update everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it update instantly. Now let's check out your new look in action. Click into any blank cell and type a word, maybe your name or just a hello. Notice how the text automatically uses the new default font you picked. From now on, any new stuff you type in this sheet will use your new font style, creating a consistent, customized look for all your content. That's really all there is to it. Customizing your font helps you communicate more clearly and shows a little personality in your spreadsheets, which might just make working with numbers and data a bit more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite Google Sheets tips, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.